So you'd like your character to show anger, amazement, or sadness when using honk? I got you, boo. And by boo, I mean the Bird Lord on YouTube who asked me that very question. Thanks, boo. The emote system can seem a bit confusing when using honk, I get it. It took me forever to figure it out since there's very little help out there. But here's what I find out, and it made sense then. First, you'll notice on the left side of your screen 8 buttons you can assign to hotkeys and be able to change your character's emotions. This means that currently, honk has 8 emotes you can switch to and from. Here's how to set up everything. First, rig your main character's original state, like this one. Then, add the new expression pieces in the same folder your character is in honk. You can then add your new expression layers into honk. Let's go with a wow expression and make it easy. Add your eyes, your mouth, new eyebrows, be creative. Don't worry right now that things are overlapping. Just make sure to set them in the proper layer order, so either on the top layer or on the bottom. Mine will all go on the top layer, and number 4. Make sure to assign all lip sync so that your mouth matches your words, and don't forget to have the layers you want to follow the cursor all set up. Now, here's the fun part. We'll go into emote number 1. Whoa, that is a lot of pieces on one character. So we'll disable every pieces we don't want on this emote number 1. Go ahead and remove all of the pieces that you don't want on this layer by selecting it and clicking Disable on the number 1 tab. And then repeat this process with all of the other pieces you don't want on this layer. You'll also need to disable everything else on the other tabs that you don't want on your layers. Once you're done, your new expression is ready to be used. Just make the necessary adjustments needed and voila! You're ready to use your new expression. You can click Alt 1 and Alt 2 to alternate between them. And if you've got a Stream Deck, you can assign Alt 1 and 2 to your buttons to make it even easier to switch from one emote to another. I hope this helps you a bunch. Let me know if you have any questions and which tutorial you'd like to see next. I realize that it's not super intuitive, but I hope this really helped you out. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe, for sure, because more videos are to come, right? I'm so lame sometimes.